Adebayo, you're welcome. Ebe, you're welcome. You are welcome. Presti, you're welcome. Babyfish, you're welcome. Okay, today we have our academic competition today titled Academic Battle. Specifically today is for mathematics battle titled Mathematics Battle 6.0 with PharmEternity, So this is just a kind of introduction of what we are going to do today. After this introduction, I'll now stream the questions so that those that registered for the competition will participate. And for those that could not register for the competition, the registration ended by 8 p.m. today, but that of physics battle is still on. Physics battle 3.0 will take place on Wednesday, being 3rd April by 9 p.m. But the registration will end 8 p.m. that same Wednesday. So please, after this, you can questions on your own. You never can tell. Maybe it will prepare you for the next one that will come up. We have just 3 minutes to go. Once it's 9 p.m., I'll start. I'll do the introduction for the mathematics battle 6.0. I will discuss how the structure will look like, what you expect to see, and the participants, and what have you, those that registered. So I believe that that the academic soldiers of Mathematics Battle 6.0 with PharmEternity Schoolboy are online now. So if you are online, please indicate. If you are online, please indicate. Our academic soldiers of Mathematics Battle 6.0, I want to see you indicate if you're online, because once it's 9 p.m., I will say what I want to say before we go to the battle. Before we move to the battlefield. Yes, it's a battlefield, because prizes will be won. As you can see on the flyer, the first prize is 2,500 naira. The second prize is 1,500 naira. The third prize is 1,000 naira. Then we have 10 other consolation prizes for the next 10 heroes. So, depending on the number of participants for a particular battle, depending on the number of soldiers for a particular battle. Please, our participants for the battle, we call them academic soldiers, because it's a battle. It's actually a battle. Okay, that's why you hear me saying academic soldiers, academic soldiers, academic soldiers. All right, so we have 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. So I can do the introduction and move straight to the battle without wasting time in the battlefield. Okay. Okay. Labista, you're welcome. You're welcome. Dan, you're welcome. Please like this live streaming, share with your friends, invite them to come over, and go to the flyer for Physics Battle 3.0 and they register. You may have someone that is physics inclined, science inclined. Share with the person. All right, it's 9 p.m. All right, you're welcome to Mathematics Battle 6.0 with PharmEternity Schoolboy. So today we do our competition. This competition is hosted every Wednesday and every every Saturday. So today being Saturday, 30th March 2024, what we have today is Mathematics Battle 6.0. And this battle, everybody online can see the question, but those that will win prizes are those that actually registered for the competition. So the competition is just 5 questions, 5 multiple choice questions, options A to D. So you have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to solve the questions and supply the answers. Actually, those that registered for the battle, we have a WhatsApp group for those that registered for the battle. So we already have their names and we have them added in the WhatsApp group for Mathematics Battle 6.0. So once they solve, if you are an academic soldier for this battle, once you solve your questions, please just drop your option, drop your chosen option on that WhatsApp group. That's all. That's all. You have 5 minutes from the beginning of this battle to do that. After 5 minutes, any option dropped is invalid, will not be counted. Okay, the time is 9:10. At exactly 9:15, ensure you send in your answers to the WhatsApp group at exactly 9:15. So this is Mathematics Battle 6.0 with PharmEternity the Schoolboy. The academic soldiers are already on the battlefield, sending in their answers. We have roughly 3 minutes to go. We have 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. All right, it's 2:16. It's 9:16. It's 9:16. We've come to the end of Mathematics Battle 6.0 with PharmEternity the Schoolboy. We've come to the end of the Mathematics Battle 6.0 with PharmEternity the Schoolboy. So what we want to do now is to do corrections and take it off from there. Okay. From the result I'm seeing here, from the result I'm seeing here, only one academic soldier attempted question 1. So I want to solve the question 1, then we'll take it off from there. All right, question 1. Question 1 says, one academic soldier dropped question 1 as 9:17 is already late. That answer is invalid. Okay. The question says a rod of length 255 cm is measured as 250 cm. What is the percentage error in the measurement? Correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, of course, percentage error, solution. Of course, percentage error is error itself over what? The actual measurement times what? 100%. So the error here, the error from this question is actually irrespective of the sign. So we put the sign aside. It can be plus or minus, but let's just, error can be plus or minus. In this case now it's minus. The correct measurement is what? Is 255. That is the correct length. But mistakenly, erroneously, 250 was measured. So the error is actually the difference between this and this, which is 5 cm. So the error is actually 5 cm. So I'm not putting the sign into consideration now. 5 cm over the actual measurement is what? 255 cm times what? 100%. If you solve this thing, it will give us, remember you say in 2 decimal places, it will give 1.96% in 2 decimal places. So the answer is C, 1.96. One soldier got it, but the answer came in late. So the answer is invalid. The time should be 9:15, but I gave 1 extra minute, 9:16, yet the soldier came in 9:17. So the answer is invalid. But the answer is actually what? 1.96. All right, let's go over to question 2. Question 2 says, if 1 over r minus 2 plus 2 over r plus 2 is equal to 3 over r, find r. Okay, so 1 over r minus 2 plus 2 over r plus 2 is equal to 3 over r. Okay, let's go. So find the LCM. Here we have r minus 2, r plus 2. These things will lead us to a difference of 2 squared. Okay, let's go. This will divide this, we'll have what? R plus 2 times 1, which is this. Plus r plus 2 divide here, we have r minus 2 times 2, which is what? 2r minus 2. All equal to what? 3 over r. So we will now open up this bracket. We have something like this. R plus 2 times r is equal to what? 2r minus what? 4. All over this times this difference of 2 squared, this multiply this will definitely give us r squared minus 4. If you multiply the two of them, this is what it will give us, because of they have the same value but different in sign. So the difference of 2 squared. So here we have over what? 3 over what? R. So here, let us collect like times here. Here we have r plus 2r is what to what? 3r. 2 minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 2. All over r squared minus 4 is equal to what? 3 over what? R. If we cross multiply, you have something like this. 3r squared minus 4 is equal to r 3r minus what? Minus 2 in bracket. If you open up this bracket, 3 times r squared is what? 3r squared. 3 times minus 4 is what? Minus 12. Is equal to r times 3r is 3r squared minus r times minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 2r. If this 3r squared moves over to this, it will neutralize this one. So this and this will go. We are left with what? Minus 2f is equal to minus 2r. We can divide both sides by minus 2 to get our r. So we have minus 2, minus 2. This will take care of this. This divide this. Minus 2 divided minus 12 is 6. So r is equal to what? 6. So the answer is what? D. Another soldier came in, but he came in too late, way late. So it's also invalid. Is there in the rule of the competition that you must send in your answers within the stipulated time? Okay, let's continue. So the next one is number, okay, I've cleaned it. The next one is number 3. I've already cleaned number 3. Okay, let me write the question again somewhere here. Let me write the question number 3 here. Let me write question number 3 here. Okay. Okay, this is the question number 3. Let's solve question number 3. I may have to clean 4 and 5 for want of space. Okay, let's solve. Let's see how far we can go. Let's solve question number 3. It says, if m is equal to x over 2 all over 1 over p square plus 1 over q square, find s. So they just want us to make x the subject of the formula. Now, if you look at this thing now can be written in this form, that m is equal to s over 2, that m is equal to x over 2 divided by 1 over p squared plus 1 over q squared. That is the same thing. So let's work on this one inside here. So m is now equal to what? S over 2 divided by, if you work on this, we have something like this, p squared q squared. P squared divide this, we will be left with what? Q squared. Q squared times 1 is what? Q squared. Plus q squared divide this, we have p squared left, times 1 p squared. So this can also be expressed as m is equal to x over 2 times p squared q squared all over what? Q squared plus what? P squared. Is correct. It's something. The operation between these two is multiplication. So if that is the case, this can as well be taken as m over 1 is equal to x p squared q squared all over 2 brackets. Yes, it's something. So we can now cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, our target is to make x the subject of the formula. We have something like this. This time, this is what? 2m q squared plus p squared is equal to, this time, this is what? X p squared q squared. So we divide both sides by p squared q squared. P squared q squared over p squared q squared. So this will go. So we are left with x is equal to what? 2m q squared plus p squared all over what? P squared q squared. So that's the answer. Let's look at the options. The answer is option A. The answer is option A. Let's look at the soldiers that got the answer within the stipulated time. So we have this should question number 3. Yes. Question number 3. Here we have, okay, one soldier. We don't delete, we don't edit. The answer you gave is what are you going to use to judge you. This soldier started by giving us that number 2A, and let us say that he meant 3A, not 2A. So, and later wrote 2D, that the answer to number 2 is D. This second one he sent here is wrong because he already told us that 2 is A. But I will take 3, A. Okay, one soldier got this 3A, 3. Number 3. One soldier got number 3A. Okay, and each question is 20 marks. Each question is 20 marks. Okay, so, and that's Godongolits. Godongolits is leading with 20% so far. 20%. So let's keep going. Question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, I think I can clean here now. So we can solve this number 4. Okay, let me clean here so we can solve question number 4. So only one soldier so far within the stipulated time got one answer, 20%. So Godongolit is leading with 20%. We have 2 more questions to go. Let's see how far. Question 4 says, if K3 in base 6 times 3 in base 6 is equal to 3 base 5 times K4 to base 5. Find K. To solve this question, let's move everything to base 10 so we can find K straight. Let's move everything to base 10. So if we are to move this to base 10, this K3 in base 6 becomes something like this. K times 6 plus 3 times 6, all in a bigger brackets, times this 3 times 6, all in another bigger what? Bracket. Of course, now from the place value, you start from here. Here should be what? 0, and here should be what? 1. 6 raised to the power 1 and 6 raised to the power 0, and here should be what? 0. It's equal to, this side we have 3 times 5. Everything here will now multiply K times 4 times 5 plus 4 times 5. Also, for the place value, this one here should be 5 raised to the power 0, and this one should be 5 raised to the power what? 1. Good. Here again, here should be 5 raised to the power 0. So now, let us now solve this. Okay, 6 raised to the power 1 is 6. So here we have K times 6 plus 6 raised to the power 0 is 1. 3 times 1